Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Keystake token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 18th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Keystake presents a decentralized staking framework and protocol committed to optimizing staker rewards through the secure operation of validators in performing Ethereum proof-of-stake consensus duties. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. This is a BEP20 token. There is a total supply here of 100 million tokens, and they have 18 decimal places on this token, and it says only 3 holders according to their BSC scan, which means that this token is not even available on Pancakeswap yet. This is a brand new project getting their initial listing date starting tomorrow, February 18th. This token will be listed at exactly 10 o'clock UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol KTK, and then simply just buy the token. So this innovative solution divides a validator key into shares, distributing them across multiple nodes managed by independent operators to enhance security and fault tolerance. Crafted with Rust, Keystake operates seamlessly with the ETH2 consensus client and leverages Hot Stuff, a BFT consensus library for efficient consensus mechanisms. Referencing the underlying thesis, Keystake stands as a robust alternative for users seeking secure and rewarding decentralized staking experiences. So Keystake simplifies the process of earning staking rewards for all ETH holders with a user-friendly approach. Number 1, stage 1 is deposit 32 ETH and select a group of 4 operators to oversee your validator. Stage 2, contribute an 8 ETH initializer deposit to participate in a pooled validator and choose from 3 additional operators to manage your validator. Stage 3, deposit 0.1 ETH or to 32 ETH to engage in a pool validator, stake ETH in a Keystake pool to receive KCEX tokens. Your share of the pooled validator rewards will automatically accumulate to your KCEX token balance, providing full liquidity for trading, buying, or selling at your convenience. Keystake takes pride in being at the forefront of innovation as the first ETH staking pool to implement distributed validator technology written in Rust. This ensures heightened decentralization, security, and reliability, offering users a trustworthy platform for their staking endeavors. You can run a Keystake validator, so operate a Keystake validator seamlessly within the ecosystem without the hassle of deploying validators. Stakers can effortlessly delegate these responsibilities to operators, requiring only a deposit ranging from 0.1 ETH to 32 ETH to become a part of the validator network. To get started, connect your wallet and follow the provided instructions for a straightforward initiation process. Keystake ensures a user-friendly experience, making participation in the network accessible and efficient. So, within the ecosystem, they have the three key stakeholders. Number one is validators. Validators play a crucial role in securing the proof-of-stake mechanism on Ethereum. They earn ETH rewards for accurately and promptly fulfilling their assigned tasks. However, any failure to actively participate results in gradual deductions from their initial 32 ETH balance. Keystake emphasizes the importance of validator uptime for maximizing rewards and avoiding penalties. Security is paramount, achieved through the splitting of validator keys into shares and distribution to independent operator nodes, ensuring an offline and secure storage environment. Number two is operators. Keystake utilizes committees of non-trusting tech-savvy operators collaborating to manage validators on behalf of stakers. This approach provides a turnkey solution, ensuring a fault-tolerant system with high availability. Even if some operators are offline, other steps into complete validator tasks. Two types of operators exist: those supporting the decentralized staking service and initiators who stake 8 ETH to create mini pools. Initiators, along with parastate DAO operators, run distributed key generation DKG schemes to set up private public key pairs for trustless BLS threshold signature schemes. This innovative design prevents malicious operators from stealing funds. And lastly, number three, the Keystake service providers, the Keystake DAO. Keystake relies on its supporters, including service providers and the Keystake DAO, to build and maintain its infrastructure and protocol. These entities play a pivotal role in delivering decentralized staking services. Keystake provides a robust web service where users depositing ETH to run validators can maximize rewards and minimize penalties. Additionally, users have the opportunity to run an operator node and charge fees for managing validators on behalf of stakers, contributing to the overall efficiency and success of the Keystake ecosystem. To explore running an operator node on the Keystake network, refer to their white paper instructions, and you can find their white paper at keystake.gitbook.io. Now, the token can be used for validator registration on the Keystake network. It's a native payment token for transactions within the Keystake ecosystem. You can use it for participation in governance processes and economic incentives for network participants. BEP20 token, KTK is the ticker symbol. How it's allocated is 18% of the tokens go to the team, 7% goes to IDO, 5% seed round, 20% treasury, 10% marketing, 40% liquidity incentives. So you can check this token out as of tomorrow, being listed on Mexc Global. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.